So, we are going to be showing you guys how to get easy slime. We got a dual pack of those push bombs, the ones that go like that. So you only need a pen, and you need to rip the squish bombs out. I think it only works with my squish bombs because mine actually have slime. And put the pen inside it and start ripping it. And you guys can see there's slime in there. So you're gonna have to rip it. Rip everything down off. Like you're gonna try to have to rip it. Oh fuck! Then after you got some slime. The rest is down here. Let me pick everything up. Okay. That's a little bit. Got some more. Got some more. Got a little bit more. Let's see. We got some more. Massive. Then after you just go to school with the slime. Hi, Kaylin.
Hey guys.
And we got
See this right here?
Wait, and I gave some to my sister because I already made some.
Yanni, how do you open this?
Kaylin, don't open this one. This one's squished. And yeah,
You got all this one out?
yeah.
Oh my god, it's not squishy no more.
Yeah, guys, this is not squishy no more.
This one is squishy. Right here, let me show you. See it?
See it, guys?
But I know it's...
But there is slime here.
Yes, and this one is really fun to play with. Oh, we're
So
getting...
yeah, guys.
Woo!
Can you leave?
No. I'm juggling. I'm trying to juggle.
So yeah, guys, you guys could have clean slime
Cut!
without buying too much money.
Yes.
So these are just like $50, $15 at Target. We bought them at a
Target, a restaurant, right?
yeah, we bought it at a restaurant. They were selling things there, so we
No.
bought it there.
Yeah, we bought it with this. It's so cool.
And you guys could squish this. Like,
Yeah, you can squish it right
the slime feels so good, guys. So
now.
you guys could like put it in like a little bag. You don't have to just give it. I might give one of these out to my sister over here. Show your face. My sister. I might give one of these to my sister, right, Kaylin?
Yes.
So yeah, Kaylin, let me do my outro. I need to do my outro.
Yeah, morning.
Kaylin, could you press that red button when I count that? No.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah, but not yet. So yeah, guys, bye. Peace out. Gonna do it.